What are you doing?
Said you wanted to vlog this weekend.
Yeah, but not like that.
How you doing, babe? Let me know what you got going on. How's the day starting off for you?
So what are you doing?
Get some coffee?
Ooh.
I love you.
I love you too. What we doing, babe?
We're about to go work out. Build some chesticles.
What have we been doing?
Working on clients.
So it is 11:30. We've been working on clients for the last hour, 2 hours or so.
You think I'm sexy? Rod Stewart here.
Okay, alright, okay. Now we're gonna go work out and we'll see you guys in the gym. Nothing is ever as it seemed when it comes to Robert. We are here at the gym and he is working.
Always.
He is obsessed.
Always.
I'm just trying to get him to go work out and he's just, it's like business and workouts. Like they're neck and neck. Like one doesn't beat the other. He's just obsessed with it, and now I have to wait and try to convince him to go work out with me. So, just thought you guys should know, business is right up there with his workouts.
Alright, I'm over here mopping. I'm mopping, Crystal's sweeping, working on getting the gym cleaned up, listening to a Joe Rogan podcast. This is our Saturday right here, y'all. Ooh, smells good, babe. What we got cooking up in here?
We got a keto chili up in here.
A keto chili up in here.
Yep, we got this recipe on the Keto Savage Kitchen on the YouTube.
This is the old Keto Savage Kitchen episode, right?
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to make a new one because this one is the buffalo one. But I'm using venison, I've used pork, I've used beef, and I've changed the recipe a little bit just to make it more delicious. So we might have to do a revised chili recipe.
Let's do it. I'm hungry.
Alright guys, wanted to show you. I made a keto version of Muddy Buddies, or what else are they called? Puppy Chow or whatever. Huh? I made a keto version. I was really wanting some. It sounded so good. And so I made some and they're delicious. Also, I wish sometimes there was just like a camera rolling in our house so you guys could like see all like the sweet moments or the cute moments, and Jack's whining. When like my husband asks me to dance in the living room, and then we all go and lay on Rigel's floor and play with Jack, and it's really sweet. But you guys didn't get to see all that. But I did make some of these delicious things. I'm excited to sit down in front of the fire, eat some, hang out with Robert for the rest of the night, and we have another full day tomorrow. Alright guys, so it is Sunday and we just put away our Christmas tree. Our Christmas tree was right there. Now we have a bunch of stuff right there. Apples and oranges. We're going to throw those out there for the deer and squirrels and things like that that'll actually eat it. But came in like a little goodie bag that someone gave us. But we just did that, and Robert is out here taking down the Christmas lights.
Breaking all safety rules by standing on the top step.
Oh gosh, look at that. Rule breaker.
Rule breaker. My cute little mini ladder over here.
Yep, and then there's Jack. Little cuteness. You little cutie. Alright, so I tried to get a video of Robert chainsawing. The tree was dead, so we just decided to cut it down and use some firewood. So it's kind of a nice thing. But then my battery died, so I only got like a super, super quick clip. But Robert did build me a nice fire. It's perfect and nice and toasty in here. So we did, we also just finished the, we also just finished the nursery, and we cleaned up the spare room, which is like a half, like guest room, half office. I'll show you guys that in just a second, but it's been a hot mess up in here because we changed where the nursery is. It used to be a spare room, and the other room just used to be an office, and then everything was just thrown into that spare room so we could make a nursery. It's been a mess. So I'll show you guys everything that we got done this weekend. So it's been a really good weekend.
Alright, this is a bunch of extra pillows and sheets and all that good stuff. Bunch of junk over there. This is the spare room / office.
So there's the bed.
Yeah, there's the bed. Little office area. Whiteboards, but corkboard.
That little office area is probably where I'll do a lot of work when Rigel gets here.
Yep, black wall.
Black wall, of course.
Have that. And then we got the nursery over here.
You guys have kind of seen the nursery, but we finished hanging some things today.
Yeah. So now we got a little carpet down. The crib's all set up. Welcome to my crib. This little hangy doodad. What's this called? The hangy
doodad.
Rocking chair, bookshelf, bunch of Dr. Seuss books.
We gotta get some bookends that go in there, but
Tyler got this. My brother got this for us for Christmas. Pretty cute. And then toy box.
I just
from
tripped on Jack.
When I was a kid. This is crystal painted it white. Ultrasound, and then a few more things on the wall here. And check out these baby clothes.
Oh.
The littlest Sykes.
One of our friends got us that sweet thing.
And all kinds of cool little baby clothes.
Yeah.
Bunch of arrows and stuff.
One of my sisters just had a baby not too long ago. And so she is sending us all a bunch of hand-me-downs from her son. So that we can give them to Rigel, which is super nice, which is why we have so many clothes in there, and we're so excited about it and so stinking blessed that we have it, that we have someone to give us hand-me-downs.
And that's a wrap for the vlog, y'all.
It's a wrap.
Totally random. What all did we cover? We covered the workout.
Yeah, we covered
the baby room.
Yep.
A meal or two.
Mm-hmm.
Chainsawing.
Yep.
Bunch of random vlog stuff.
We were going to go on a hike, and we were going to vlog that, but we ended up not going on a hike because the weekend got away from us because we were doing these things.
Yeah. So, we might make more of these little lifestyle vlogs sprinkled throughout the year. So, stay tuned. Until then, love you.